if you permit.
A very good morning and a warm welcome to our new batch of first-year undergraduate and postgraduate students of HSNC University to day one of your 10-day induction program. We are honored to have with us today the president of our HSNC board, Mr. Kishu Mansukani, provost of HSNC University, Dr. Niranjan Hiranandani, trustees and members of the HSNC board, principals, vice principals, as well as faculty of HSNC University. Dear students, you are taking your first steps into undergraduate and postgraduate education with us. And we would like to wish you all an enriching journey through this induction program. This 10-day induction program will include sessions by experts from various fields, and it promises to be filled with rich and inspiring experiences aimed at better acquainting you all to our university. So let me begin by introducing to you Principal of KC College, Dr. Hemlata Bagla, Director of the Niranjan Hiranandani School of Real Estate, and Senior Dean of the Faculty of Science and Technology, HSNC University. Dr. Bagla is an award-winning nuclear scientist who leads from the front and is a change maker. She has published more than 150 research papers in national and international journals, including 9 publications in NASA's astrophysics database. Dr. Bagla has also been recently awarded as one of the 50 most influential principals of a college by the 9th edition of the World Education Congress. With her caring nature, grit, and determination, Dr. Bagla is leading KC College into new frontiers of education. I request you, ma'am, to deliver the welcome address.
Thank you, Jade. Honorable President of HSNC Board, Shri Kishu Mansukani, Honorable Provost of HSNC University, Dr. Niranjan Hiranandani, respected Deans of the University, Dr. Pooja Ramchandani, Dean of Commerce and Management and in charge Principal of HR College, Dr. Bhagwan Balani, Dean of Humanities and Social Sciences and in charge Principal of Bombay Teachers Training College, respected university officers, principals of other institutions, vice principals, Team KC and Team HR who has put this event together, my colleagues, dear parents, and dear students of KC College and HR College, a very good morning to one and all. Dear friends, let me begin with words of wisdom of Rosalind Carter, who had herself revolutionized the education system in her role when she was the first lady of USA in 1970s and 80s. And she said, a leader takes people where they want to go. A great leader takes people where they don't necessarily want to go, but ought to be. Indeed, we, as the members of HSNC University family, realize the statement in its wholesomeness. Today, it's our privilege that we possess the visionary and intelligent leadership that is very sure of the destination towards which it is taking us. It is equally sure of the path on which it is walking so that we as an institution become the leaders of education. We are privileged to have the leaders who are in fact involved in each and every process of creating new leadership. Dear friends, let me take the honor to welcome you all to the very first day of the induction program of the first year students of HSNC University in its second batch. And on this auspicious occasion, we have amidst us the two such visionary leaders, important pillars of our educational institution, HSNC Board and HSNC University. It's my honor and privilege to extend warmest welcome to Mr. Kishu Mansukani, the esteemed president of HSNC Board. And Dr. Niranjan Hiranandani, Honorable Provost of our HSNC University. My dear friends, Kishu sir, I'm very glad to say, is one of our most senior guides who has always played the role of a solid rock to whom we sought the support to stand firmly as a family. No doubt we owe our strength and firmness to this solid support provided by Kishu sir throughout our journey. In his enormous experience, sir has seen our whole institution getting formed, getting reformed, an entire infrastructure, the way it has been shaping up. Sir, I would say, is the link, in fact, who connects us to our roots. Whenever we interact with him, we are always connected to our roots and even the values, the legacy which our board, our institutions have been taking forward. And thus, by becoming an institution with stronger roots, we are now able to spread those in all directions. Sir has been the driving force behind catapulting the infrastructural growth and success of the HSNC board and the university. I'm very happy, sir, that you could make today available to all of our students on the first day of induction program and for gracing this occasion. Thank you so much, Mansukhani, sir. Dear students, we are honored to have with us the visionary torch bearer of our institution, Dr. Niranjan Hiranandani, sir. His tremendous power of will and his indomitable confidence in the people has made everything possible. We all know about sir's success story as one of the India's premier business person, which is known to all. But he has also been an ideal source of energy and motivation for all of us. He has revolutionized Indian real estate. And now, under his leadership, Indian education is already witnessing revolution in the form of the various interventions of our university, as it's evident that with the Niranjan Hiranandani School of Real Estate, which is a glaring example of this progress. Sir has always tried to soar higher, and he ensures that everyone is able to reach greater heights alongside him. We are so very grateful to be led by such capable hands, which has helped build this city of dreams. He dreams and then he ensures that he works to make them a reality, and then he dreams bigger. And with his dreams, indeed, we have to follow and perform and achieve as his each and every dream. Sir, you are indeed a true visionary, and your vision with that, we're delighted that to tell you that each one at the university, HSNC University and HR and KC College will be taking your vision forward. We are very grateful today that you are present here amidst us, and you are here you have given your valuable time to our first fresh batch of first years. Thank you very much, sir, on behalf of HR College, KC College, and Bombay Teachers Training College. Dear students, we are commencing the induction program today. In this very important program, you will be meeting the best brains of their respective fields. You will meet and listen to the stalwarts of the industry. The idea of this series is to introduce you all with the influential personalities and leaders who have impressed their marks on the world. This is how you shall get the inspiration at the very onset, at the very first day which you have taken to your career, which is nothing but your first year at the college. I'm sure this scintillating series of the lectures as your induction program will ignite the initial spark in you, which will eventually become a fire in your belly. And you have to see to it that you take, with that fire in the belly, you take towards your goals. I'm sure that all of you, intelligent students, dedicated students, will take the benefits of this induction program. Once again, today, I assure you on behalf of all of us that you will be able to explore your mind being this part of university, and you'll be open to the universe of possibilities and opportunities for yourself, it's you who has to pick up these opportunities and help yourself forward. See to it, these 3 years you have pledged to be with us, and you make the best of yourself. Not taking much time, we have Dr. Pooja Ramchandani as well with us to welcome all of you. With these few words, I extend once again a warmest welcome to Kishuman Sukhani sir, and a warmest welcome to Dr. Niranjan Hirandani sir for being part of this program. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am, for that warm welcome. I see Principal of HR College and Dean of the Faculty of Commerce and Management of HSNC University, Dr. Pooja Ramchandani has actively worked towards the growth and development of HR College for more than 20 years. She is a recognized PhD guide for the subject of commerce from the University of Mumbai. She has, to her credit, many student associations that started under her mentorship, such as GEMS, Young Leaders Club, Sindhi Sangat, and Flames. Her motto is to create responsible student leaders who bring positive change in society. Dr. Ramchandani is a firm believer that there is no alternative to hard work for achieving success and excellence. I request you, ma'am, to deliver the welcome address.
Thank you so much, dear, for this introduction of mine. Respected President, sir, Provost, sir, our new Vice Chancellor, Dr. Hemlata Bagla, Senior Dean, In Charge Principal, the Principal, Dr. Balani, my dear faculty, my dear students, warm welcome to this first year of yours, a new journey that you will begin with HSNC University. A year that went by, must say that we completed one successful year of, despite being in pandemic, the launch of university, the launch of various undergraduate, postgraduate programs under the banner of HSNC University. A first of the kind HSNC University, state cluster university, because of our NAC accreditations of 3 colleges, that we became a university, a degree granting institution. A day we created history, as we say, last year. I welcome all the parents, all the students who have made remarkable results and have made admissions so difficult and cut off so high that these 2 colleges, HR and KC, have not seen their cutoffs going down below 90%, even when the 4th or 5th merit list has been out. The credit goes to all of you because you worked hard and created these results and have created history in HR and KC when you have joined these courses. You begin a new journey with us. Next 3 years of exploring a leader in you. We will give you enormous opportunities through your programs, through various certificate programs, through various co-curricular activities, various extracurricular activities, internationalization exposure to you by inviting international experts, by inviting industry experts. In the process, we will also tell you to take responsibility of society. These opportunities will be there with you for next 3 years that you're going to spend with us. This university is yours. These 2 colleges are yours. Now you become a part of family of HR and KC and HSNC University. Henceforth, your designation from being a student changes to brand ambassador of HSNC University. Wherever you will go, you will carry HSNC University in your heart, in your mind, and in your behavior and in your body language. These 3 years that you will be with us, you will be termed as brand ambassadors of HSNC University. These 3 years, will give you enough of opportunities. You may have joined BMS, you may have joined BCom, you may have joined BA, you may have joined BSc, or you may have joined post-graduation with us. These 3 years, we will allow you to explore various opportunities of HR College and KC College and become a leader because we don't believe in creating volunteers. That's our philosophy. Our mission is that this university is of the students, for the students, and by the students, where you will run these institutions with us as brand ambassadors, and our parents and industry experts as our brand partners. You have to ensure that we achieve greater heights by concentrating on your academics, which are very, very, very important, because they will give you the knowledge of concepts that you must take to industry. The extracurricular and co-curricular will allow you to enhance your skills. It could be speaking skills, it could be team skills, it could be negotiation skills, it could be various other skills. And we will make you socially responsible. So when you are with us for 3 years, we want you to become our brand partners. We want you to become our brand ambassadors and explore that leader inside you, so that when you go out of HSNC University, you are already employable by the industry. That's the efforts that we do in the two colleges. So all the welcome to everybody, and hearty welcome to all my brand ambassadors of HSNC University. Come, let's begin this new journey of 3 years of excellence and only excellence and leadership with HSNC University. Hearty welcome to all my dear students, and special welcome to all my dear parents who have joined this program and today's induction program. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for those very encouraging words. President of the HSNC board, Mr. Kishu Mansukhani, is one of the strong pillars of our board, overseeing 25 educational institutions. He is extremely passionate about education and is committed to the spread of education to all, but especially to the needy. Mr. Mansukhani has been actively involved in social and humanitarian activities and heads several charitable trusts which have assisted in rehabilitating many individuals and families through education. Mr. Mansukhani has had a long and illustrious career with the Tata Group and is also a recipient of several awards for his notable work, including awards from the presidents of Uganda and Seychelles. I request you, sir, to deliver the presidential address.
So you're muted. So you're on mute.
Very good morning to all of you. Nice to see all the good, pleasant-looking people around. My colleague, Dr. Niranjan Hiranandani, Provost, HSNC University, Dr. Hemlata Bagla, Principal, KC College, Dr. Pooja Ramchandani, Principal, HR College, Dr. Bhagavan Balani, Principal, PTTC, teaching and non-teaching staff, parents, and above all, my dear students, as we are calling them our brand ambassadors. Hearty welcome to all of you on this memorable event. I congratulate all the students for getting admission in professional courses offered by HR College, KC College, and the PTTC, all affiliated with HSNC University. These colleges are the best among the best colleges of our country. We have introduced many innovative courses in these 3 colleges after the launch of HSNC University. You just have crossed one of the memorable milestones of your life. My congratulations to parents and students. This is the most important phase of your life. This may be the first time after junior college that you will have to make important decision which will determine the course of your future life. During the next 3 years, you will meet new people, participate in various activities, and you will experience events that will make you grow and learn more. Remember, your parents have worked hard for you to have a good education. Also keep them in mind when you decide how to spend your time and your energy and your plans for the future. You will be among the few fortunate who will be graduating not only from the academic institution, but you will also be constitute a small percentage of students who are able to obtain university degrees in India. Today, out of 100 students who pass 12th standard, only 25 students get opportunity to obtain basic degrees. You will be surprised to know that only 3 students out of the 20 students can obtain master's degree or equivalent degrees. So you are a fortunate few. Always remember that what your parents have given you to reach up to this level. Let me acquaint you with rules and regulation of our colleges, particularly regarding the attendance. Minimum attendance is 75% is must, failing which will not be allowed to appear for the final examination. These will be explained to you in detail by your teachers and other associates. Life is a long journey with many zigzag paths, but I guarantee you, all of you, after completing your graduation from these good, wonderful institutions, you will surely going to remember the value of this institution in your professional life. Also, you will cherish the memorable time spent with your friends, faculties, your group assignments, your presentation, even like today and others. I wish you a great success and a satisfaction in the field or whatever you choose for your life. Always remember, besides education, ethics and standards will play an important role in your career and in your rest of your life. To quote Steve Jobs, your time is limited, so don't waste it living with somebody else's life. Remember, hard work, integrity will always stand by you in your professional and personal lives. Always use your time wisely. I don't want to preach you more. I think that's enough. Show your appreciation and respect to your parents, teachers, and people around you. Be proud of your roots, culture, and above all, our nation, Bharat. I wish you all lots of happiness, contentment, success in your life. Thank you. God bless you. Jai Hind, Jai Jhulelal.
Thank you, sir, for continuing to inspire us with such motivating words. Dr. Niranjan Hiranandani is the Honorable Provost of HSNC University, Trustee and past President of the HSNC Board, visionary behind this university, and the Niranjan Hiranandani School of Real Estate. He is a renowned entrepreneur whose real estate business, the Hiranandani Group, is considered as a producer of the best quality housing and commercial premises in the country. Dr. Hiranandani is also actively associated with and holds key positions in various government bodies, private and social institutions, as well as schools and colleges. In addition, he is known to be a powerful orator, and we are very fortunate to have him with us today to enlighten us with his wealth of experience. I request you, sir, to deliver the Provost address.
A very good morning to each and every one of you. It's such a delight to meet these youngsters who have joined here in the prestigious HR College, KC College, HSNC University. Most welcome, youngsters of India, people who will, as Abdul Kalam said, shape the future of India. You are the people, youngsters, that we live in our hearts and minds when we create the institutions, when we build the institutions, and we run these institutions. All this is constantly in our mind. Recently, we created the new university. HSNC University is now all-encompassing these colleges. What is it that we are really wanting to do when we say we want to create a new university? It has taken 35 years for the government to change the national housing education policy of India in the year 2020. But HSNC University is not looking at a policy of 1 year or 2 years or 35 years. It's a dynamic university that has been created. A dynamic university which brings about the best teachers, the best educationists, the best syllabus, the best ideas, the best thoughts. These are on the academic side, so that what you are going to learn should be second to none. None in India, none in the world. And that's not enough, because academics and education by itself is a lot of information, a lot of learning. But is that education complete? And that is what, when we dreamed and did the creation of HSNC University, decided that we need to integrate in this education process and the syllabus along with industry. So, along with our principals and deans, Dr. Hemlata Bagla, Dr. Pooja Ramchandani, Dr. Bhagwan Balani, the entire board of studies in their leadership sat down together and not only put their brains together, but they reached out to industry. They went and contacted the best in the country. All the ideas and thoughts which were there, what industry needs you to have when you pass out from our colleges and go out, either to be a professional, either to be in business, either you to be in research, or you even to be a startup. All these have been put into the thoughts and minds of all our syllabus and thought process that we needed to do. And of course, all our teachers, they're very smart. Let me tell you, they're pretty clever. And if you can concentrate on what they're teaching, you're going to learn a hell of a lot. But learning is not enough, because learning is getting and imbibing information. What we teach you in HSNC University, which means HR, KC, and our BTCC and our other colleges, is converting this information into knowledge and education. That is the big difference that we do in our colleges and institutions. And that is why Dr. Bagla and Dr. Pooja Ramchandani also mentioned to you two things which are very, very important. One, that there are so many other activities which our colleges will do. Different activities which are related to your subject directly in order to enhance the knowledge of the fields we do. Certificate courses, which will give you a little beyond the ordinary if you want to focus on certain subjects. And also co-curricular activities, which will improve all the bohemy that you will have in interacting with various students, interacting with the rest of the world, and also improving other skill sets, your ability to speak, your ability to communicate, your ability to go for interviews, your ability to think about what are the issues to create startups, your ability to be able to go for postgraduate research, your ability to be able to reach out to the world and show them, as correctly said by our president, to create an ethical values in terms of bringing the nation to the next level of it. You are the people who are to do it. Can I sit down and still just pass the examination? That's the easiest thing to do, my young friends. That's not difficult to do. You all are bright students. I know it. You've got a very high percentage and commit. So for you to write an examination is damn easy. And I'm sure you will skill it and you'll bring reputation to the college. But is that really enough? As somebody said very correctly, will you use, as our president said, use the time wisely? Time is limited. In our lives, birth and death is decided by God. All the time in between is what you need to do. I'm not saying you only study. You must have fun, you must have enjoyment, you must have your holidays, you must have your playtime. But after doing the playtime is over, you got to work and see what you can do. Couple of things which I have always thought that youngsters should have, and sometimes they don't think about it. So I'm going to just share a few ideas on it. If you don't like it, throw it away. If you like it, imbibe it. These are the things which are important for you, is what I feel. You may not like it, you may not agree with it, even your parents may not agree with it. That's up to them not to agree or agree, but you may agree and your parents may disagree. So maybe sometimes when I connect with you a few ideas and thoughts, let's have the one. One of the thoughts which is important is to think about your future. What is it that I want to aspire to become? One person said that I want to ultimately become an IS officer, a collector, and so and so. So I want to do well in my exams and prepare for that future. Some I want to become a great doctor. Somebody says I wanted to become an entrepreneur. Someone else wanted to become a chartered accountant. All these facets are equally applicable to you, but if you have a vision to do so, you will be able to really put in a lot more effort. Many times we are all tired of the works that we do. Those people who have a vision, who have an aspiration, who have a direction, who have an idea, who have a passion, never get tired. It's a very shocking thing. If I go for a party and a dance, do I get tired in a party? I never get tired. Similarly, if you have a vision of what you want to achieve, you will never get tired of working and perspiring. As Mr. Mansukhani just told you, you got to put in that hard work in order to get the achievements off the ground. There are a couple of things which always worried me when I was younger. I am not as good and clever as that other student who is a colleague of mine, and I will never be able to beat him. But remember the hare and the tortoise. One step at a time, the tortoise went, and slowly but steadily, when the tortoise went on improving one step every day, while the hare sat down and made us fun and enjoyment, the tortoise also won the race. And this is the story of life. Those who keep committed to their objective and keep on moving, though they may not be the most brilliant. I was a very average student when I was in college, but by the end of the day, I learned this from some mentor of mine, that I got to keep on improving every day and keep on learning. That is how I came and became what I have. So this is another thought which I wanted to share with you. The third thought which I wanted to share with you is to keep learning. Learn different things. It doesn't matter what it is. You think it's not relevant today, but in future, this will become relevant. So a lot of people that have created new ideas in the future will find that the skill sets which look very ordinary today, but actually become very useful to you in the future that you need to do. So keep learning not only in the college, not only in extracurricular activities, but when you finish college and get into work and profession, keep learning, because there is no end to learning every day. I'll give you an example of a learning story of my own father, Dr. Hiradan Dadi, an ENT specialist. At the age of 82, he surprised me one day and he said, I want to go to Germany to learn a new operation. I said, Dad, are you crazy? 82 years of age and you want to go and learn a new operation in Germany? Are you out of your mind? He said, young man, I don't want to stop learning. And lo and behold, an obstinate father of mine went to Germany and learned a new operation that he did at the age of 82. So young friends, don't stop learning. You can learn lots and lots of new things. During this COVID shutdown time, I even learned how to do ballroom dancing. So now I know how to jive and Zumba too. So learn as many things as you can at this age, even if it means dancing, do it, but do it well. Don't just do an ordinary dance. I can do a good one. I can do a show whenever you want me to do one. I shall do it. Of course, enjoy yourself. Have a joy in what you do, on your work that you do, on your study that you do, on the travel that you do. Every aspect is to be done. Let me tell you one thing. You are in the best place in the world. The KC College, the HR College, the BTTC College, and the HSNC University. People are at a very low platform. You are already high up. You are at that level. For you to reach the moon and the stars is so easy as compared to those people who are handicapped and don't have the advantage of the education that HSNC University will give it to you. You are the people who should reach the stars. And remember, as a quote at the end of the day, you have one person who will permanently inspire you to become something which nobody dreamt of. And that is our beloved Prime Minister. An ordinary chaiwala became the Prime Minister of India. So I am very, very sure that every student of HR, KC, BTTC, HSNC University, Mr. President, Mr. Mansukhani, I assure you that the brilliant students who have joined over here will become something one day, and they will be our alma mater, our alumni, who you will be always very proud of. You don't have to worry. I have very great confidence in the students who have entered the college portals today in this orientation course. God bless you. Thank you, parents, for looking after these children and giving them great education. We are very, very grateful to you. I promise you that all our teachers are wonderful teachers. It is up to the students to imbibe more and more from this, what they have to teach. But it's also up to all of us to encourage these bright lads to have a great future in this wonderful country. God bless you all. Lots of fun, lots of love, a little bit of hard work also.
Thank you, sir, for always being such a source of guidance to us and leading us into this new era of education with those inspirational words. I now request Dr. Shalini Sinha, Vice Principal Student Affairs of KC College, to deliver the vote of thanks. And students of KC College, please continue to remain in the program after this vote of thanks, as we will be presenting a few more KC clubs to you.
Thank you, Jade. There is a very famous quote that says, "At times, our own light goes out and is rekindled by a spark from another person. Each of us have cause to think with deep gratitude of those who have lighted that flame within us. The mentors who light that spark amongst us are the leaders of our institution, our university, and our management. I thank with great gratitude in my heart, Mr. Kishore Mansukhani, the president of the HSNC board, for your warm guidance to the students of our two colleges, for reminding them to always have the attitude of gratitude for all that they have. Thank you for expending your valuable time and concern for all. Dr. Niranjan Hiranandani, the trustee HSNC board and provost HSNC University. My heartfelt gratitude, sir, for your energetic, enthusiastic, and inspirational address to our youngsters. Thank you for always showing them the path forward and always wishing them to achieve great success. It is from people like you, Mr. Mansukhani and Dr. Hiranandani, that our students learn. They are on the path of success. And when they see you and hear your words of wisdom, that they learn how the path of success moves forward. Thank you so much. Dr. Hemlata Bhatia, Principal KC College, Senior Dean Faculty of Sciences, HSNC University, wears many caps with great style and elan. She's at the helm of all the affairs of her college. And I thank her for her guidance always, for the interest that she takes in holding all the events that we do. Thank you so much, Dr. Bhatia. Dr. Pooja Ramchandani, Principal HR College and Dean Faculty of Commerce. Thank you so much for your time, for your wise words, and for giving an overview of the activities of the two colleges to our students. They have learned so much from it. Thank you. I thank all the other principals, Dr. Bhagwan Balani, Principal, Bombay Teachers Training College, and Dean Faculty of Humanities and Social Sciences for his warm presence. All the vice principals of KC, HR, BTTC, all the faculty members, all the heads of department who are present over here. Thank you so much for being here, for showing your support to all our students. And thank you, dear parents. You are the ones who are there with our students. Today, our students are not with us physically, but you are there with them physically. They need your support. They need your motivation more than anything. They see us only as a virtual presence. We depend upon you to see that our students are healthy, they eat in time, they sleep in time, and they are there studying in time. Thank you so much, dear parents. We depend upon you. And thank you, dear students. What would we be without you? You are now the new members of our family, and thank you so much for your presence. Continue being with us, continue being guided by the great leaders that we will bring to you every day. Thank you all. Thank you, the entire tech team. Thank you, the entire team which has organized this program. Thank you so much. Wishing you all a very, very happy and a pleasant day. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for that formal vote of thanks. And I wish you all a pleasant day ahead. Students of KC College, you will now be introduced to two significant organizations within our college, the Gender Issues Cell and the Marathi Mandal. I now invite Aman and Anjali from the Gender Issues Cell to make their presentation.
So Jade, we all can exit and you can
Yes, ma'am.
get to
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Dr.
Thank you.
And
Thank you, ma'am.
And thank you all
Thank
the
you, sir.
Thank you, Kishu sir, for being there with us.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, the entire team of HR and KC and BTTC.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
All the best for this academic year 21-22. I'm sure we are in the making of another history, another year.
Absolutely.
Aman and Anjali, will one of you be sharing screen right now?
Yes, ma'am, I'll be sharing my screen. Yeah.
You can begin.
Shall we begin?
Yes, yes, go ahead.
Hello, everyone. I'm Aman,
And I'm Anjali.
and we are the student representatives of the Gender Issues Cell for this academic year. So, constituted in 2003, as per the university guidelines, the Gender Issues Cell strives to challenge gender stereotypes, subvert common sense perceptions of gender roles, and help reimagine the process of unlearning and relearning in ways that enable a process of reflection. The Gender Issues Cell is also committed to the creation of a safe space inclusive of all intersectional identities by spreading awareness about gender discourse, amplifying voices coming from lived experiences, and sending out a strong message that sexual harassment, whether covert or overt, will not be tolerated.
At GIC, we do things differently. We not only believe in interrogating the normal, but also reimagining the normal in a gender-sensitive manner, keeping in mind principles of social justice and equity. And how do we do this? Primarily through research, activism, and academics, which form the core elements of GIC. Now, let me take you through the wide range of activities that await you at GIC. First in our series is the flagship program, the Certificate Course in Gender Studies. Spread over 2 months and 18 sessions, this course draws the best of resource persons in diverse fields from the country to meaningfully engage the students on a range of issues pertaining to gender justice. Last year's CCGS was fully online, and we had some great sessions with our resource persons. Creative Expressions is another student-led initiative that draws in students from across classes and streams to express their idea of a gender-just world through a creative medium, be it literary arts, fine arts, digital arts, photography, or open mic. These are some pictures from our creative expression events in 2019, fine arts, and we also had an open mic. Last year, our theme for creative expressions was Shadow Pandemic. GIC also hosts an annual fundraiser. Although we weren't able to host one last year due to the pandemic, our fundraiser in 2019 was a huge success.
We also have a yearly newsletter called Celebrating Differences, for which we receive scholarly articles, poems, and artwork from students within and outside KC. Last year's newsletter focused on the coronavirus pandemic of 2020. The cell is also actively involved in organizing national conferences. In 2016, the Gender Issues Cell organized a national conference on revisiting the discourse on women's rights, new forms of violation and contestation. In 2019, the Women's Development Cell, the University of Mumbai, and the Gender Issues Cell of KC College jointly organized a 3-day national seminar and outreach cultural program on gendered academic cultures and sexual harassment, the Me Too movement, and beyond. Some other interesting events that we organized last year were a Know Your Rights workshop, a mental health webinar in collaboration with Veera Health, a webinar on queer affirmative therapy in collaboration with Mariwala Health Initiative. On our Instagram page, we organized Introspectober, which is a spin on the very popular concept of Inktober, which is an annual social media event in which artists across the globe are given prompts to create and upload artwork. We had prompts such as love, fear, closet, skin/body, transformation, etc.
In accordance with the UGC guidelines, we have constituted an internal committee with representatives from the teaching and non-teaching staff, students, and an NGO to deal with cases of sexual harassment if there are any. We also have a legal counseling cell in association with Majlis, a women's legal center in Mumbai, to offer legal counseling to students on matters of sexual harassment and domestic violence. This is a first of its kind initiative at the undergraduate level in Mumbai. And to give you an idea of what our team looks like, within GIC, we have 2 student representatives and 4 departments: admin, content, graphics, and social media. Those who wish to join our cell will get to choose which department they would like to work under.
Some new and exciting initiatives that you can join this year include a reading circle, which involves reading and discussing fiction, non-fiction, essays, speeches, and other forms of literary art relating to the LGBTQ+ community and gender and sexuality. We also have a peer support group called the Queers of KC, which is a safe space for students from the LGBTQ+ community to connect.
We look forward to your enthusiastic participation in all our activities. Please do join the cell and be part of a transformative agenda to make the campus, our families, neighborhoods, and communities gender sensitive and gender just.
Last but not least, even though we live in times of a pandemic, our commitment to gender issues remain as strong as ever. So we would urge you all to connect with us on social media. You can find us on Facebook and also on our Instagram handle at Gender Issues Cell. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for that insightful glimpse into the meaningful work done by the Gender Issues Cell. I now invite Vaishnavi and Sampurna from the Marathi Mandal to present to our students.
Thank you, ma'am.
कोकिळेच्या मंजूळ सुरांनी, फुलांच्या हळूवार सुगंधाने आणि सूर्याच्या कोमल किरणांनी आम्ही तुम्हा सर्वांचं आजच्या सुंदर दिवशी या सुंदर कार्यक्रमात स्वागत करतो.
मुझे पता है यहाँ पे बहुत लोगों को ये कोट बाउंसर गया होगा, कि मुझे भी गया था जब मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम सुना था. Basically what she meant to say was, hi, I'm Sampurna Mahapatra from SYBBI,
And hi, I'm Vaishnavi Dhapre from TYBNM.
and we are here to welcome you for the orientation of KC Marathi Mandal 2021-22. In the past year, Marathi Mandal won various trophies in intercollegiate fests like Nandi, Ruturang, Amod, and the list goes on.
त्या व्यतिरिक्त मराठी मंडळाने बरेच ऑनलाईन इव्हेंट सुद्धा ऑर्गनाईज केलेले, मग ते इंस्टाग्राम कॉम्पिटिशन विनर वेन्सडे असो किंवा मग विमेन्स डे ला सेलिब्रिटी सिंगर मधुरा कुंभार सोबत इंस्टाग्राम लाईव्ह असो.
Marathi Mandal also organizes its annual fest My Marathi 2021 with around 35 celebrities including Sunil Barve, Arvind Jagtap, Mukta Barve, Anirudh Joshi, Abhang Ripos, Avinash Narkar, Amol Bawdekar, Vaibhav Gugge, etc. Colleges from all over Mumbai participated and the podium was backed by St. Xavier's College.
आपल्या 2021 ची सुरुवात मराठी मंडळाने शिवराज्याभिषेक दिनाला शिवाजी महाराजांना वंदन करून केली. आषाढी एकादशी निमित्त सगळ्या वारकरी संप्रदायाच्या आशीर्वादाने आम्ही इंस्टाग्राम लाईव्ह म्युझिक जॅमिंग आणि झूम ऑनलाईन सेशन सुद्धा घेतले होते. त्या व्यतिरिक्त आम्ही HR कॉलेजच्या एलिक्युशन कॉम्पिटिशन आणि विवेक जागर करंडक ऑनलाईन ड्रामा कॉम्पिटिशन मध्ये नुसताच भाग नव्हता घेतला, तर दुसरा क्रमांक सुद्धा पटकावला होता.
Well, apart from that, we were the first runner-up in Ruturang 2021 Fest of R.A. Poddar College, which was held recently. Our Mandal has also introduced club and community service for the very first time. The first community service event, a beach cleanup drive at Girgaon Chowpatty, was a grand success. We also organized a Mandala art competition with around 70 artists from across the country. The committee reveal of Committee 2021-22 happened with grandeur. Marathi Mandal is a place where you meet people with similar interests and jam with them. Let us show you guys a glimpse of our Marathi Mandal.
धन्याम्ही जाहलो या मातीत रांगलो, पुण्याई होती गाठीशी आई मग बोललो. धन्याम्ही जाहलो या मातीत रांगलो, पुण्याई होती गाठीशी आई मग बोललो.
ही माय मराठीचा हुल ऐकून दिशा गवसली एक नवी.
या तिमिरातून काजवे उजळले, सूर सजले एकमुखी.
आम्ही माय मराठी, 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 आम्ही माय मराठी.
Everyone is in search for a platform to showcase their talent. We at Marathi Mandal provide you the platform to do so with a complete new arena and plethora of excitement.
Stepping into the future, we plan to collaborate with the colleges and NGOs for community service. We will be participating full contingent in our Mode Fest of St. Xavier's, Nandi of HR College, and shortly the preparation of our annual fest, My Marathi 2022 will begin.
The Community Service Department aims to engage our committee members in various offline activities. Not just that, we are planning to organize a trek after Corona situation calms down.
Many of us must be completely unaware of the Marathi language or the Maharashtrian culture. We have a lot of outstation students worried about mixing up or understanding the city of Mumbai. Don't worry, guys, even I was one of you. Well, we are the key for you. The Marathi Mandal helps you discover the unique and rich culture of Maharashtra and dive deeper into it.
We now present to you our convener, Dr. Yogita Shinde, ज्यांना आम्ही मराठी मंडळाची आई म्हणतो, and our chairperson, Aditya Verma.
After the convener and CP, we would now like to introduce our VCPs. We have Vaishnavi Dhapre as the VCP of Club and Community Service, Soumya Vijayakumar Pai as the VCP of Management and Organization. Last but not least, Gayatri Dandavate as the VCP of Events.
मी काय म्हणते, मराठी मंडळाच्या कार्यक्रमात शिवगर्जना नाही झाली, मग काय तो कार्यक्रम झाला? चला आपण वळूया.
क्षत्रिय कुलावंश सिंहासनाधीश्वर राजाधिराज श्रीमंत श्री 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 छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराजांचा छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराजांचा
अंगावर शहारे आले असतील ना? मलाही आले. आता सगळ्यात महत्वाचा भाग.
मराठी मंडळात तुम्हाला जुन्या मित्राची मैत्री आणि घराबाहेरचा परिवार मिळतो. There is going to be a surprise for you guys, which is going to be revealed very soon. So for that, follow the official Instagram page of Marathi Mandal and contact our PR heads, Sachi or Siddhi, for all the information and to stay tuned. The form link for enrolling into Marathi Mandal is in the YouTube comment section and also in the Instagram bio.
आम्हाला तुमचा वेळ देण्यासाठी सगळ्या स्टुडंट्स, स्टाफ मेंबर्स आणि गेस्टना खूप खूप धन्यवाद.
धन्यवाद.
Thank you, students, for that very engaging and creative presentation about the work done by Marathi Mandal. We have come to the end of day 1 of this 10-day induction program. And students, we will see you tomorrow again for day 2. Good afternoon, and I wish you, dear students, a deeply rewarding week ahead. Have a lovely day.